Now, after preparing the UI, we are going to start by making admin dashboard with Filament. So this is the template files. I'm going up by one level. So inside DevTalks directory, we have front end, and I have a global installer for Laravel. So I'll just type Laravel new, maybe backend. Okay, this will take a few seconds. Yeah, no starter kit. I'll choose PHP unit. Yeah, let's add a Git repository. This will not take longer, and maybe we should go to the documentation, get started, and we should start here. So the installer installed some dependencies, and we are creating application key now. Uh, well, maybe we may start with SQLite for now, and we could update this later. Yeah, okay. We can run the default migration. Database SQLite file is not created, so we will create it. Yeah, and here we go. Our Laravel project is initiated. So let's cd to backend, right? ls. Let's uh, let's open this by Visual Studio, VS Code, and let's do artisan serve. We will run it by simple artisan command. I'll not use any other tool or Docker for this project for now. This will be enough. So this is the default Laravel page. Now let's install Filament. So we will install Filament. Let's do this composer require. Let's open terminal, and let's do composer require Filament. All right, we have now Filament with some dependencies in the vendor and the changes in the composer. And yeah, let's install panels. Okay. What is the ID? Admin. Okay. Let's make it the default. Would you like to show some love by steering the filament repo on GitHub? I already did that, so no, thank you. Not this time. Yeah, here we go. We are now installed panels that comes with filament. They added maybe a provider here. So let's open it. Yeah, we have some panel and the ID admin we wrote at the path. I think this is the URL we are going to display our admin panel on. And yeah, colors here as well, make color. Maybe if we want to change the color, we go here. And we have some other yeah files in the public folder. What it's look like it is minimized, meaning that we will not be able to edit them. those are the panels, the package files. So we, of course, we are going to use them, but we will not able to edit them here. So let's close them. Those are not important for now, but I'll add them to the Git repository, so I'm able to um, identify the new changes if we have. So git and all, git commit um, admin panel package files. All right, now our git is clear. So yeah, now let's add a user. I think we have now, if we go to admin, we have a login, but we don't have users. So with this command, we can create a user. Let's create a new user. Maybe we call it admin at admin.com, and let's maybe password, right? Yeah, let's try to log in with those credentials. And here we go. We did install uh, our Laravel project and the Filament very quick. And and I think I'm going to stop here. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.